buy?
A new potty.
Oh, can you show me the new potty? Did you go to the store, the hardware store at Daddy to buy the new potty?
That's the new potty.
That's the new potty?
Here.
It's in the box?
Here, and that how it work.
Yeah, do you have to crawl in the box to use it?
No.
How does it work?
I want to check them.
Are we...
Go there. I'm going to go up.
Is Daddy going to put the new potty in?
Plug it to go there.
Oh, wow. You could practically install it yourself, eh, James? He knows what he's doing, right, James?
Oh, this. I plug it in.
Oh, yeah? You have to plug it in?
This.
This could be a YouTube instructional video on how to install a potty, right, James?
See, I have to do this.
Uh-huh.
And the other do this here. They do cover this. I do look at this. And the water come out.
Oh, and then the water comes out? Should we just get you to install it?
Go this. And get the one plug it in again.
You get the new one and you plug it in. That's very smart, James.